In late 2025, PayPal introduced Decline Guard AI, a machine learning tool that analyzes transaction patterns in real time. This system preemptively approves or flags payments, significantly reducing unwarranted declines. Decline Guard AI has reduced unwarranted declines by approximately 35% globally. Knowing about this AI is vital to understand automated fixes. PayPal is exploring blockchain integration to enable instant microtransactions. Through pilot programs in 2026, they're testing crypto backed solutions that can fix failed payments when traditional methods don't work. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that securely records transactions across a network of computers. Each block contains transaction data and links to the previous block, creating an immutable chain. In a traditional payment, funds flow from you through PayPal to the merchant, but sometimes payments get declined due to various issues like insufficient funds or security flags. PayPal's blockchain integration offers a crypto backed alternative. When traditional payments fail, users can switch to cryptocurrency for instant microtransactions that bypass some decline causes. In PayPal's pilot programs, when a payment declines, the system automatically suggests a crypto alternative. The transaction converts to cryptocurrency and completes instantly through blockchain. Pilot programs show promising results, with crypto-backed fixes achieving up to 95% success rates for transactions that previously failed. Blockchain integration offers several advantages: instant processing, reduced fees for small amounts, and a reliable backup when traditional payment methods fail. A US-based graphic designer faced repeated declines on international client payments due to PayPal's high-risk flags for freelance work. Decline Guard AI stepped in, prompting an in-app verification quiz to confirm the transaction's legitimacy. After confirming legitimacy, the payment was auto-approved, saving the freelancer $200 in potential fees and demonstrating AI's effectiveness in creative industries. Real-world examples like this showcase how AI-driven fixes can efficiently resolve payment decline issues. Cybersecurity expert Alex Johnson from Gartner describes PayPal's AI as a game-changer for user trust. He notes that it significantly reduces false payment declines without compromising security. This advancement allows users to complete transactions more reliably while keeping their accounts protected from threats. Financial analyst Maria Chen from Forrester forecasts that by 2028, AI-driven fixes could save businesses $10 billion annually in lost transactions. This highlights both the significant cost savings that artificial intelligence can provide, as well as the improved convenience for users making payments. As we conclude our guide on PayPal payment declines in 2026, remember that by understanding the root causes and applying the fixes we've discussed, you can achieve smoother transactions. Stay informed about emerging trends like AI tools and smart wallets to prevent interruptions. Finally, keep your account secure and up to date for the best PayPal experience.